Sav Exposure.
Sav Exposure. Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today we are going to do something extreme, something crazy, something different. So I've been wanting to learn how to surf for a long time. I said, okay, let me start off with something simpler. Maybe not even simpler, but I was looking at different things on the internet, on YouTube, and I came across skimboarding. So I wanted to buy me a skimboard. It's in his hand over there. So we're out here and we're about to go try to skimboard. So that's what today is. It's going to be the first time, the first experience skimboarding. I got my girlfriend, we got Josh, we got Drew in the background. We'll have Durante and John and his wife Kat out here, and we're going to show you guys everything in the process, everything in between, in the mix and in the scene. We're currently walking in the middle of the street right now. It's okay. We're wildlifing. Don't mind me and my hat. I'm just trying to protect my neck and the skin. It is like 95 degrees outside. It's scorching. Walk over here to the shade. Yeah, so we have to walk pretty much down this hill and we'll be near the beach. Once we do that, I'll show you guys the view. So as you can see, you walk down these steps. Up here, it takes you all the way down to Crescent Beach, which is right here. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we're just getting here, about to get it in, set up, get on the boards. Got the drone out. We'll try to get some footage of that. Catch us falling and trying and see how we end up and see how things happen. It's all about trying new things, having fun experiences, living, loving, laughing, enjoying Earth and what God put on here for everybody to inhabit and enjoy.